Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. So we're doing a sample review. This was sent to me, and doing an unboxing and a review of this. This is a portable rechargeable soldering iron. As you guys can see, hand skit is what the name of this is. This was sent to me free of charge. I'm doing a review of this. We're going to test this out and unbox this. This sells for maybe like, I don't know, like somewhere from like 15. I'm going to put a description in the description section. I'm going to put a description in the description section. We're going to test this out. So as you guys can see, it comes with a USB line, the pen itself, and some kind of the soldering tip. If you guys have this, definitely like drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know how well this works. I'll tell you guys what, I had like a hyper tough Walmart brand AA battery soldering pin. I still have that. It worked okay. I still have that. It worked all right. And they reached out to me, wanted me to try this out, and I'm like, yeah, send it to me. I'll test this out. So this is what it looks like. It has one on-off button and a USB. And this is, hold up. I just popped this on. Let me see if it's charged up. I just clicked on it. Some of these don't come charged at all. Let me see if I long press to see if there's a... So I might have to charge this up. I don't know why this tip actually came in a different container, considering it's supposed to be some kind of soldering pin. And as you guys can see, it... Alright, I know why they don't come charged up. Some of these don't come charged up because they don't want any kind of issue with a charged up lithium battery in the package and installing a fire and stuff like that. Understandable. I haven't thought about that, but anyway, it looks like it's a good looking pin. It's small, it's lightweight, you carry it around if you guys do a lot of soldering. This might be just something that you would want or need. We're going to charge this up, and we're going to do some soldering, and we're going to test this out. But you guys have this, definitely drop a comment in the comments section. The only question that I might have, I'm sure it works, but we're going to test out to see how well it works. I'm just like, how long does the battery last? It might be good for maybe like a year. Some of these smaller batteries, lithium batteries, they're good for like a couple of months, and then they're done. But anyway, maybe I'll do a video like when I get the chance for that. But I just want to on to the next scene. We're going to do some soldering, guys. Okay, I'm going to charge this up. We're going to do some soldering, see how well this works. Alright guys, so let's finish up the review of this solder pin, this rechargeable solder pin. I will tell you guys that I used it a couple of times. It did heat up really fast. It did do what it's supposed to do, melt the solder. The only thing is, I don't know whether I'm using like bad solder or not, because when I try to solder it onto the wire, and this is not the first time I've used electrical solders connected to wall socket solders, and still had the same problem where it just would not stick to the wire. And I know you guys are out there looking at this saying, this guy's, you know, he should have known that you might need some kind of flux with it. But I did buy a bunch of wires, a couple of solder wires with flux in it, and I'm gonna try that to see whether that works or not. I don't remember. I remember when I used to solder. It was a while ago, a long time ago, when I was a teen actually. Didn't need flux. But maybe it's the bad soldering wires that I got. Maybe there are different grades of soldering wires, and the ones I got just wasn't up to the task. I'm not quite sure. But for the price, I'm going to give it a thumbs up. It's good to have around if you guys do a lot of soldering with wires and stuff like that, electrical stuff. I'm not going to say anything negative about it. It does have 3 modes. It does what it's supposed to do. Recharging time is pretty decent. I don't know how long you get out the battery as far as the life of this pin, but can't complain about it, you know. Give me a thumbs up. Really didn't do much on this board, as you guys can see. I ended up just welding the wires together with nickel strips and stuff like that. It ended up working the same way. But if you guys have your own opinion about this, definitely drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether this is a good pin for your own experience, and whether this is a good pin or not. Give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, all that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take